Oh my goodness. She lives again. She runs. Welcome back to the Power Stroke Rick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. All right, y'all, what is poppin'? It has been a minute. Welcome back to the Power Stroke Rick YouTube channel. As always, like a sore dick, can't beat it. If y'all are still there, I appreciate every single one of you. Yeah, not much going on in the shop, honestly. I got this 93 150 that I'm getting ready to rebuild. It's not a Power Stroke, but just been working a lot. Life will get you, y'all. I don't got heat in the shop yet, so I ain't been working out here too much. But today, it's not really an install video. I mean, it is, but your grandmother can do it. We are getting rid of one of those ugly yellow dipstick tubes. We're gonna do some SPE dress-up parts. Dan released a billet dipstick for your oil. So, like a sore dick, can't beat it. We're gonna show you that. We're gonna talk about it. And yeah, let's part. Golly! Look at this Joan. Now, again, guys, this ain't an install video too much, but it's a dipstick tube. Anyone can put it in. But I just want to talk about it. SPE came out with a bunch of dress-up parts around Black Friday. We got the dipstick tubes, billet aluminum, offered in a few different colors. You could obviously powder it yourself if you don't like a color they have as an option. And brake reservoir, they got the aluminum cover for that. They got the primary degas bottle and battery tray, secondary degas bottle, bunch of different stuff they got for dress-up wise on the website. But we're going to throw this Joan on right now and just show you what she looks like. We're just stopping by for a quick little video. Hope y'all are still watching. I appreciate every single one of you. All right, y'all. Look at this little mechanism I got here. Oh, yeah. We're going to get rid of this Joan right here. And again, guys, I know this is not much of a video. Power Stroke Rick might be washed up, y'all. I might be cooked. We're going to wipe that off so we don't make a messy, and then put the new one in, and I'll show you that. Ah! See, problem is, now I done messed up, because that's a different blue than that blue. This is blue jean blue, and that's freaking yellow, so I gotta paint that Joan or do something, or see if Daddy Dan comes out with one for the trans pan, you know what I'm saying? Ooh-wee! Nice. All right, guys, unfortunately, that is it with this video. Y'all watched Power Stroke Rick put a little dipstick in his goddamn truck. I might be washed up, y'all. I don't know. But in a few weeks, we are heading out to Latrobe, PA again. The black truck. We're getting some more sauce to her. We're getting some more parts on her, some new parts, some more go-fast parts. So we're probably going to smoke the trans. So, Dan, if you're watching this, you probably have to rebuild my trans in a couple months, buddy. But, yeah, head over to SP's website. Check out the dress-up parts like that. Like, I think the dipstick was like 40 or 50 bucks. Like a sore dick, can't beat it. I know it's something small. I might be washed up, guys. I've been slacking for a while, so we are trying to make a comeback. The comeback kid, Power Stroke Me Rick. That's it, y'all. Hit that subscribe button. Deuces.